So remember our rules and expectations? We'll go over them one more time here. So listen to instructions, enter and exit prepared, always try your best, respect others, and never give up. Okay? Alright. So, we're going to start out here. So today we're going to learn a new letter sound. Zipper. Okay? So, read it with me. Can you read with me? Good job. Can you say zipper? Zip. Good job. Alright, can you say that all by yourself? The sound. Zipper. Good job. Alright, so now we're going to go through like we always do, and we're going to take turns and read sounds, okay? I want you to point at all the letters as you read them across the page. Alright? So why don't you start out with this one right here. Can you point to it? Point to it. Yep. Nice, that was quick. Alright, awesome job. So now, we're going to work on segmenting again, okay? Do you remember how we do this? So I'm going to show you. So the first word is jump. Jump. And then you're going to start off with blob, okay? You segment and then...
After...
blob. Good job. Alright, next do this one. It's... Look at the letters. Yep, now say the sounds. That was great. Good job. Good job segmenting fists. Alright, can you work on this word next? Yep, can you segment the, show me how you do the sounds? Now do the sounds in frog. Nice job, frog. Awesome. Okay, now let's do this word. Can you point with your fingers and show me each box of sounds? Nice. That was awesome. Let's do blob again, okay? Great job segmenting those. Alright, so this page has a little bit of writing on it, but it doesn't matter. We'll just work on it anyways, okay? So now I'm gonna read this word. First I'm gonna read the sounds in the word, and then I'll read the word the fast way. I'll point under each sound as I read it. Notice how I don't stop in between the sounds. Watch me read the word zap. Zap. Can you do this one? Say the word the fast way now. Good job. Can you point to the word when you read it? Okay, now do this one. Do fizz. Fizz. Good job. Next one. Good job. Next one. Good job. Keep going. Nice. Facts. Facts. Next. Good job. Zam. Zam. Good job. Nice. Can you do this one again? And this one? Alright, and then this one. Good job. You did an awesome job reading those and sounding them out. Alright. Now we'll move on to these ones. So, watch me sound out or read the sight word. Remember that sight words are words we don't sound out. We read them the fast way. To practice, we'll read the word, spell the word, then read the word again. Watch me. All. A-L-L. All. Your turn. Some.
S-O-M-E. Some.
Good job.
All. A-L-L. Was.
You remembered that one. Good job. Said.
S-A-I-D. Said. He. He was. I'll.
Good job.
Is. I-S-I-G-A-S.
Say it again.
Yes.
Good job. Next word. Were. Good job. Next word. What's the last word? For. Okay, try this one again. S-O-N. Try this one again. They. Said. Good job. Let's do this one more time. R, and then this one. This is our last one. Were. Good job. All right. So now we're going to read some sentences. I'm going to read the first part of the sentence. And if you mess up on a word, then we're going to sound it out and go back to the beginning of the sentence, okay? All of them. So all of them. Okay, so now you start. Where is this? Said. So all. Didn't.
top of the
Good job. Let's read it one more time through, okay? They.
top of
Good job. What word is this? Good job. All right, very nice. Read that really good. All right, so where do you think they're trying to go? Up a hill. Good job. And then why do you think they didn't get to the top? Hard to climb it. All right. Very good. Let's see here. Okay. So now you're going to read this book by yourself like we did last week. Point to each word when you read it, and I'll help you when you get stuck, okay? The vet. All right. Start on this page. Into. Let's read that sentence again. Got it. Nice. Next.
Do you want to read it one more time? I'll do the choice. So you'll do it just like that. If you don't remember the song, you know we're going to do it again. So I get to finish last time. All right, let's read these sentences.
Careful. Sit on your chair. Good job.
Let's start at this side.
Yep.
Where
Zip, zap. Very good reading. All right, we're going to read it another time. This time you'll be faster at it because you know the words better. You learned it. All right. Let's start on this page. Nice job. There you go.
To fix the cat.
Nice job.
The cat and the vet went. Yes, the cat can run.
Zigzag. Zap. Yep. Good job.
Yeah, you got it.
The cat.
Sat. Good job. We're going to read it one more time and it'll be our last time and then we'll move on, okay? Last time. Nice job. Nice job. The cat and very good. That was really quick. You got way faster at reading that. Nice job. Okay. Now I'm going to have you read this. So read these sentences. Do your best reading. If you get stuck on a word, that's okay. Just move on and then go on to the next word, okay? All right. Go ahead and read these sentences.
Here, you can count. You can count either two lying fingers or a 10 So we got our go after that story, and then you can tell me your story. Sound good? Yeah. Go ahead and do your best reading right here. Would you like to draw? Yes.
Good job. All right, we're all done for the day. You can pick out a sticker, put on a chart. So at the end of the week, if we get 3, get another prize. What sticker are you going to pick today?
Okay.
Oh, put on this line. It's a new week.